my esteemed colleagues on the bench, Sri Panditesh Chandra, President Awadh Bar Association, Sri S.M. Singh Roikwar, Additional Advocate General UP, Sri Sharat Kumar Srivastava, Learned Counsel for Union of India, Learned Senior Advocates, Learned Members of the Bar, family members of Honorable Judges who are present, officers of the Registry, and all others present. We have all gathered today to welcome Brothers Justice Shekhar B. Saraf, Justice Manohar Narayan Mishra, Justice Prashant Kumar, Justice Pramod Kumar Srivastava, Justice Zafeer Ahmad, Justice Amitabh Kumar Rai, Justice Abdhesh Kumar Chaudhary, Justice Rajeev Bharti, and Sister Justice Babita Rani. It is indeed a momentous occasion for all of us. Justice Saraf and Justice Prashant Kumar are not new to the bench. Justice Saraf had been holding court at Allahabad. He now comes to Lucknow. Justice Prashant Kumar has already been sitting at Lucknow for the past few weeks. Rest of the honorable judges have been elevated recently to the bench. Brother Justice Saraf was born on 21st October 1971. He had his schooling at Calcutta. He did his BA LLB honours from the National Law School of India, University, Bangalore. He was enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of West Bengal on the 12th March 1999. He obtained the Chevening Scholarship for Young Indian Lawyers Program 2000, sponsored by the Foreign and Commonwealth Office, United Kingdom, and studied for 6 weeks at the College of Law, York. He has many distinctions to his credit, one of which is his qualification in January 2001 as a solicitor of the Supreme Court of England and Wales. He had a flourishing practice at the Calcutta High Court till his elevation as an additional judge of the High Court at Calcutta on 21st September 2017. He was transferred to the Allahabad High Court on 17th November 2023. Brother Saraf is known for his academic excellence, intellectual brilliance, eloquence, erudition, and judicious mind. Very few would know that Brother Saraf's father, late Justice Sohanlal Saraf, was a judge of this court after his transfer from the Calcutta High Court. He held court at Lucknow for some time. I had the opportunity of appearing before his lordship's father several years ago as an advocate. Those who were in practice at that time still remember him fondly for his speedy dispensation of justice and affection towards junior lawyers. Hardly any lawyer went dissatisfied from his court. Brother Saraf has followed in the footsteps of his father, a worthy son of a worthy father. I am sure Brother Saraf will be a great asset to this High Court at Lucknow. Brother Justice Manohar Narayan Mishra is no stranger to this court. He had been holding court at Allahabad. He has now come to Lucknow permanently. Brother Mishra joined the UP Judicial Service on 14 June 1990. He was promoted to the Higher Judicial Service in September 2005. He was appointed as District and Session Judge in July 2019. He functioned as Director JTRI and as District and Session Judge Lucknow. He was elevated as an additional judge of this court on 15th August 2022. Brother Justice Mishra brings with him his vast experience and knowledge acquired as a judge of the district courts, as also his experience as a judge of this court at Allahabad. He is known for his polite and affable manners, as also for his legal acumen. Brother Justice Prashant Kumar did his BCom LLB from Rewa University. He was enrolled as an advocate with the UP Bar Council in August 1989 and practiced at Allahabad High Court thereafter before the Supreme Court of India. He was elevated as an additional judge of this court on 27 February 2023. His late father, Mr. Justice Maheshwari Prasad Singh, was also a judge of this court. I distinctly remember him holding court at Lucknow for a few days, as I had argued a case before him as a young advocate. He was held in high esteem by members of the bar. Brother Prashant Kumar brings with him his experience and knowledge acquired while practicing at the Supreme Court of India and other courts throughout the country. We all look forward to his meaningful contribution to the justice delivery system at Lucknow. Brother Justice Pramod Kumar Srivastava did his BSc from Allahabad University in 1983 and LLB from the same university in 1986. He was selected to the UP Provincial Civil Services Judicial in 1987 in his first attempt and joined the service. He has vast experience of working as a magistrate, civil judge, additional district judge, as also district judge. He was appointed as district and session judge in 2019 and worked in this capacity at Sonbhadra, Gorakhpur and Gonda. He was also appointed and worked as Principal Secretary Law and Legal Remembrancer, Government of UP, from 4th January 21 to 17th November 2023. In my brief interactions with him during this period, I found him to be a gentle, polite and sincere person. His Lordship's wide experience and knowledge in the field of law will be of immense value to this court at Lucknow. Brother Justice Zafeer Ahmad did his LLB in the year 1996 from St. Vinoba PG College at Deoria. His father was a leading vakil in Maharajganj Civil Court who practiced for as many as 50 years till his demise. Brother Zafeer Ahmad joined the Higher Judicial Service on 15 December 2008. He was appointed as district judge and worked in this capacity at Badaयूं, Jhansi, Amroha and Gonda. With elevation of Brother Justice Zafeer Ahmad and other honorable judges from the services, the vacuum being felt in this court in dealing with civil and criminal matters would be addressed to a great extent. Brother Justice Amitabh Kumar Rai is known to all of us, he having practiced in the High Court ever since being enrolled as a member of the UP Bar Council in the year 1996 under the guidance of Sri Devi Prasad Singh Advocate as he then was. Brother Justice Rai did his LLB from Lucknow University. His father, late Rajendra Prasad Rai, retired from the post of Director, Geological Survey of India. He was appointed as a Standing Counsel for the state of UP in 2012 and then as Additional Chief Standing Counsel in the year 2017, an office he held with distinction till his elevation to the bench. We have all been witness to his hard work, sincerity and decency while discharging his duties as a State Counsel. I am sure the justice delivery system would be greatly enriched and benefited by his presence on the bench. Brother Justice Abdhesh Kumar Chaudhary was a first-generation lawyer. He did his BSc Honours in Mathematics and then completed his law from Law School, Banaras Hindu University in the year 1999. He started his practice in the district courts at Varanasi and also appeared before the courts at Kolkata. Ultimately, he settled down in New Delhi in the year 2002. At Delhi, he practiced before the Supreme Court of India, the Delhi High Court, both on the original and appellate side, as also before various tribunals. He appeared and argued his cases before various high courts throughout the country, including the Allahabad High Court, both at Allahabad and Lucknow. Brother Chaudhary has handled cases of a varied nature, such as arbitration matters, civil suits, civil writs, first and second appeals and revisions, criminal writs, appeals, revisions, etc. He was also an arbitrator empaneled with the Delhi International Arbitration Center and has successfully arbitrated both international and domestic arbitration. He has also worked as counsel for the central government at the Delhi High Court and the Union of India and various other instrumentalities of state. I have had the benefit of hearing him as an advocate in one or two cases at Lucknow and can vouch for his capabilities and the fact that his elevation to the bench shall immensely benefit the bar and bench alike. Brother Chaudhary is known in the legal fraternity for his humility, integrity and hard work. Brother Justice Rajeev Bharti graduated in law in the year 1996. He did his LLM in the year 1998. He was enrolled as an advocate in the year 1999 in district Saharanpur and practiced there from 1999 till his selection to the UP Higher Judicial Service in the year 2008. He was appointed as district and session judge and served in this capacity at Hapur and Mathura. He did his PG diploma in cyber law from NLIU, Bhopal in the year 2022. He was appointed as Registrar General of the Allahabad High Court with effect from 4th of April 23 and worked as such till his elevation as a judge of this court on 27th of September 2025. I have had the benefit of interacting with him during his tenure as Registrar General on various occasions. He is a very courteous person, deft in handling intricate and complex matters on the administrative side. I am sure we will all be benefited on the judicial side also by his experience in the district courts. Sister Justice Babita Rani was selected to the UP Higher Judicial Services in 2009 and was ranked second in her batch. She was appointed as District Judge of Saharanpur in the year 2022. She was, until recently, the District Judge at Lucknow. She has vast experience of deciding complex cases of civil and criminal nature in the district courts. In fact, she had decided a sessions trial, popularly known as Lucknow bomb blast case, in 2018, which pertained to terrorist attacks in court compounds in various districts of UP, including Lucknow. She is known for her firmness and effectiveness. Just before her elevation, she was the district judge at Lucknow, and I happened to be the administrative judge for a short period. I am a witness to her capabilities, both on the judicial and administrative side. It is not easy in a system heavily dominated by males for a female to make her way up the ladder. She has done so on the strength of her hard work, integrity, and sincerity. I am sure she will leave an indelible mark by her presence on the bench at the High Court. For the past few years, judges and lawyers both have been reeling under the pressure of work, considering its volume and absence of sufficient number of judges to handle it. For a judge, it is painful not to be able to take up as many cases as he would like to take up, not for any other reason, but because of the sheer volume of the task assigned to him on a particular day, which at times make it almost an impossibility, in spite of his best efforts. It is worse for a lawyer, because at the end of the day, he has to answer his client as to why the case was not taken up and why it is not being heard in spite of so many dates having been fixed. Hopefully, with the addition of 9 more judges to the bench at Lucknow, the situation would ease. Hopefully, many more will join us and we will be able to cope up with the enormous task ahead of us, not only of clearing pendency of cases, but also rendering substantial and effective justice. I, on behalf of my brother and sister judges at Lucknow, and on my own behalf, welcome all my brethren and sisters and wish them all the best for their future endeavors in dispensation of justice. Thank you.
My Lord Honorable Justice Rajan, Senior Judge of High Court, Lucknow, Honorable Mr. Justice Shekhar B. Saraf, Honorable Mr. Justice Manohar Narayan Mishra, Honorable Justice Prashant Kumar, Honorable Justice Pramod Kumar Srivastava, Honorable Justice Zafeer Ahmad, Honorable Justice Amitabh Kumar Rai, Honorable Justice Abdhesh Kumar Chaudhary, Honorable Justice Rajeev Bharti, Honorable Mr. Justice Babita Rani, other Honorable Judge on Dais, Sri Suramani Rekwar, Additional Regulator General of Uttar Pradesh, Sri Sarat Kumar Srivastava, Council of India, legislative advocates, members of bar, members of the registry. My Lord, today we have assembled here to mark a moment of great significance, the formal welcoming of our grand and new appointed 9 judges into the esteemed halls of the justice. On behalf of the Oath Bar Association, I extend deepest congratulations and warm welcome to the all elevated honorable judges of Honorable High Court on occasion of their first sitting at the Lucknow High Court. Honorable Justice Shekhar B. Saraf was born on the 21st October 1971 in the family of late Justice Hon'ble Saraf. Honorable Justice Shekhar B. Saraf got enrolled as a lawyer on 12th of March 1999 in Bar Council of West Bengal. Subsequently, his lordship was elevated as judge of Calcutta High Court on 21st September 2017 and took oath as a permanent judge on the 16th September 2019. His lordship transferred from the Calcutta High Court to Allahabad High Court on 17th November 2023. Honorable Justice Shekhar B. Saraf has been a member of Bar Library Club, Calcutta, and also Law Society, London. Honorable Justice Manohar Narayan Mishra was born on 6th November 1964. His lordship graduated in law in year of 1985. His lordship joined UP Judicial Services on 14 June 1990 and got promoted to AJS in year of 2005. His lordship was promoted to the district judge in year of 2009. Further, his lordship was elevated as additional judge of High Court of Uttar Pradesh on 15 August 2022 and took oath as permanent judge on the 25th September 2023. Honorable Justice Prashant Kumar was born on 30th May 1967 at the Allahabad in a noble family of Justice M.P. Singh. His lordship graduated in law from Rewa University and thereafter enrolled as a lawyer in of 1989 in Bar Council of UP. After enrollment, his lordship started practice at Allahabad High Court and thereafter shifted to the Honorable Supreme Court and became a renowned lawyer very soon. His lordship was elevated as additional judge of this court on 27 February 2023 and took oath as permanent judge on 23rd August 2024. Honorable Justice Pramod Kumar Srivastava was born on 5th January 1965 and his lordship graduated in line year of 1986 from Allahabad University. His lordship before elevation got selected in UPPCS in 1987 and joined judicial services as civil judge in year of 1990 and was promoted to the higher judicial services in year of 2008. His lordship was promoted as district judge in year of 2019. His lordship was elevated as judge of High Court Uttar Pradesh on 7th August 2025. Honorable Justice Zafeer Ahmad was born on 30th January 1970 in the family of late Muhammad Jamir Khan, advocate, who was a famous and renowned lawyer in civil court, Maharajganj. His lordship was graduated in law in year of 1996 and he started practice as an advocate in civil court, Maharajganj from 1996 onwards. His lordship was selected in SJS in 2008 and thereafter was promoted on the post of district judge. His lordship was elevated as judge of this court of UP on 7th August 2025. Honorable Justice Amitabh Kumar was born on 4th June 1969. His lordship was graduated in law from Lucknow University and thereafter enrolled as advocate with the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh in year of 1996. After enrollment, his lordship started practice in Lucknow High Court. His lordship was a specialist in civil, constitutional, service, revenue matter and thereafter assumed the role of additional chief executive counsel for the state of Uttar Pradesh. His lordship was elevated as judge of High Court of Uttar Pradesh on 8 September 2025. His lordship was a noble member of Awadh Bar. He is kind and soft-spoken. The elevation of his lordship is a matter of great pride for our Awadh Bar Association. Honorable Justice Abdhesh Kumar Chaudhary was born on 20th December 1973 at Varanasi. His lordship enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Delhi in year of 1999. His lordship was elevated as judge of High Court of Uttar Pradesh on 20 September 2025. Honorable Justice Rajeev Bharti was born on 21st January 1971 in Saharanpur. His lordship was graduate in law in year of 1996 and obtained degree of LLM year of 1998. His lordship enrolled as advocate in year of 99 and started practice in civil court Saharanpur. His lordship was selected in SJS in year of 2008 and was promoted on the post of district judge. Subsequently, on the 4th April 2023, his lordship joined as Registrar General of the Saharanpur High Court. His lordship elevated as judge of High Court of Uttar Pradesh on 26 September 2025. He is very kind and soft-spoken. Honorable Mrs. Justice Babita Rani was born on 24th April 1973. Her lordship was graduated in law in year of 1997 and obtained the degree of LLM in year of 2009. Honorable Mrs. Justice Babita Rani is a gold medalist in law from the Kurshesh University. Her lordship was selected in SJS in year of 2009 and was promoted as district judge in year of 2022. Further, her lordship was elevated as judge of High Court of Uttar Pradesh on 27 September 2025. Her lordship is hardworking and kind-hearted. It is indeed a matter of great pride and joy for all of us as we are blessed with the opportunity to welcome esteemed members of the bench, a privilege that coincides with the personal milestone for my 60th birthday, 6 October 2025. Before I conclude, I would like to quote few words on the pursuit of justice. Justice stands steady gaze through darkest nights and brightest days, a flame that never fades away, guiding truth along its way, blind to bias, form and fear, upholding rights with utmost care in every heart, Her light imparts the hope of peace in human hearts. With that, I wish you all a long, fulfilling, successful journey both on and beyond the bench. Thank you.
Honorable the Senior Judge, Lucknow seat of the High Court for Uttar Pradesh, Shri Pandit S. Chandra, Advocate, President of Allahabad Bar Association, Shri Sharat Kumar Srivastava, Advocate, Counsel for the Union of India, Senior Advocates, Senior Counsel, esteemed members of the Bar, members of the Registry. Today, if I may take the liberty to use the metaphors, the judicial cosmos of the Lucknow seat of the High Court of this state is richer by 9 bright planets. And I consider myself fortunate to witness the constellation this morning in my present capacity as Additional Advocate General of the state. From 19 to straight 28, the deluge has been delightful. The lawyers and the litigants both in Lucknow now are sure to be redressed from the causeless chaos which has been plaguing this great seat of the High Court for past few months due to shortage of judges. Of the 9 honorable judges adorning the bench today, first time at Lucknow with headquarters, 4 originally belonged to the bar and 5 rose their ranks through the district judicial services. On the one hand, Honorable Mr. Justice Shekhar B. Saraf, Honorable Mr. Justice Prashant Kumar, Honorable Mr. Justice Amitabh Kumar Rai, and Honorable Mr. Justice Abdhesh Kumar Chaudhary shall be enriching the bench at Lucknow with their vast and varied exposure of the bar, whereas on the other hand, Honorable Mr. Justice Manohar Narayan Mishra, Honorable Mr. Justice Pramod Kumar Srivastava, Honorable Mr. Justice Zafeer Ahmad, Honorable Mr. Justice Rajeev Bharti, and Honorable Mrs. Justice Babita Rani shall be adding multitude of their experience of judicial service to the bench at Lucknow. Of the 9 honorable judges, first 3 are fairly well settled in their judicial innings. Honorable Mr. Justice Shekhar B. Saraf, a judge since September 2017, originally from Calcutta High Court, with a very weighty and versatile profile upon which a glance cursory arouses curiosity. Honorable Mr. Justice Manohar Narayan Mishra, a judge of this honorable court at Prayagraj since August 22, and Honorable Mr. Justice Prashant Kumar, a judge of this honorable court at Prayagraj since February 23. Next 3 have opened their innings only in last few months. Honorable Mr. Justice Pramod Kumar Srivastava, a judge of this honorable court at Prayagraj since August 25. Honorable Mr. Justice Zafeer Ahmad, a judge of this honorable court at Prayagraj since August 25. And Honorable Mr. Justice Amitabh Kumar Rai is a judge of this honorable court as Prayagraj since September 25. And the last 3 are having their debut innings today in this prestigious hall of the Honorable the Chief Justice's courtroom of this honorable court. Honorable Mr. Justice Abdhesh Kumar Chaudhary, Honorable Mr. Justice Rajeev Bharti, and Honorable Mrs. Justice Babita Rani. Of the 9 honorable judges, we are assembled here to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Amitabh Kumar Rai deserves a special mention as he is the one who was born and brought up here in the Allahabad Bar Association of this High Court at Lucknow. His growth has gladdened one and all. His transition from the bar to bench has been closely witnessed by every member of the bar with great satisfaction. Likewise, Honorable Mr. Justice Abdhesh Kumar Chaudhary, who though forayed into law as advocate in Delhi, however, has been frequently visiting this High Court at Lucknow almost as second home and appearing in the matters impressively. Similarly, Honorable Mr. Justice Rajeev Bharti has carved a niche for himself in various judicial capacities he held in district judiciary, and then his executive administrative acumen as Registrar General for approximately 2.5 years of this honorable court has been exemplary. In the same vein, Honorable Mrs. Justice Babita Rani also earned her laurels here in Lucknow previously in her different capacities in district judiciary. Her accomplishments were perceptible to one and all having stakes in the judicial system. The judicial institution at Lucknow, which ultimately evolved to its present stature as a seat of the High Court of the state, is one of the oldest in the country. It dates way back to 1856 and was then known as Judicial Commissioners Court. And in its hallowed portals, I take this opportunity to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Shekhar B. Saraf, Honorable Mr. Justice Ram Manohar Narayan Mishra, Honorable Mr. Justice Prashant Kumar, Honorable Mr. Justice Pramod Kumar Srivastava, Honorable Mr. Justice Zafeer Ahmad, Honorable Mr. Justice Amitabh Kumar Rai, Honorable Mr. Justice Abdhesh Kumar Chaudhary, Honorable Mr. Justice Rajeev Bharti, and Honorable Mrs. Justice Babita Rani, on my own behalf and also on behalf of the Learned Advocate General, Learned Additional Advocates General, Learned Chief Standing Counsel, Learned Government Advocate, and other state law officers on the occasion of their first sitting at Lucknow seat of this High Court. I wish the very best to all the 9 honorable judges for their successful and fulfilling stint at Lucknow. May the stream of justice get strengthened. May the hapless litigants get the judicial succor. May the great traditions of this institution are held high. Thank you.
Honorable Mr. Justice Rajan Roy, Senior Judge, High Court, Lucknow, esteemed judges of this Honorable Court, Shri Pandit S. Chandra, President of Allahabad Bar Association, Mr. S.M. Rai Kwar, Additional Advocate General, and distinguished members of the bar, respected guests, and ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a matter of great honor and privilege to extend a very warm welcome to this august gathering on this special occasion. Today we assemble to welcome the honorable judges who have joined the bench of this esteemed High Court. Without repeating, my lord, the High Court, as a temple of justice, has always stood as a guardian of the Constitution and protector of the rights of the citizen. Even every judge who takes oath of the office undertakes not merely a responsibility, but a sacred duty to uphold justice, ensure fairness, and preserve the rule of law. The honorable judges whom we welcome today bring with them rich experience, profound knowledge of law, commitment to justice. Their journey in the legal profession has marked with dedication, learning, and abiding sense of duty to society. We are confident that their presence in the bench will further strengthen the great tradition of this court. I, on behalf of the Councils of Union of India, take this opportunity to assure the honorable judges of our fullest cooperation in dispensation of justice. The bench and the bar, though distinct, are linked in their service to the cause of justice. I once again extend my heartfelt welcome to the honorable judges and wish them a most fruitful and distinguished tenure on the bench. May their wisdom continue to inspire confidence in judiciary and uphold the faith on the people in justice. Thank you.
Honorable Justice Ranjan Roy, Senior Judge, Shri Pandit S. Chandra, Shri S.M. Singh Rovekar, Shri Sharat Kumar Srivastava. Thank you for your words of welcome. I would like to especially thank Justice Roy for having organized the welcome reference and introduced all 9 of us so eloquently. Today, I stand at a crossroad, as when I became a judge in 2017, that was my first crossroad, and I moved from the bar to the bench. It was a transition period in which one moved with a lot of trepidation. There was a lot of anxiety as to how one would move. So slowly, I, as a judge, learned the skills of being a judge, of how to handle the courtroom, of how to deal with lawyers. And with that experience, I moved to Allahabad in 2023. That was the second crossroad. At that point, as pointed out by Justice Roy, I followed at my father's footsteps. And I was very fortunate that a lot of the brother judges and sister judges of Allahabad had appeared before my father, and they kept telling me as to how excited they would be to appear before him, as my father was supposedly very quick and relief-giving. I have tried to maintain the same standards and hope to do so in Lucknow also. Unfortunately, I never sat in the Lucknow bench for the past 2 years. So as things stand now, I'm here permanently. I would go amiss if I would not thank the Honorable Chief Justice, Justice Arun Bansali, and the senior judges for having acceded to my request of moving to Lucknow, which were due to personal reasons. And I must also thank the entire bar at Allahabad for the exceptional cooperation I received over there. And I'm sure that once I understand the lawyers here and they understand me, we will develop a rapport, and going forward, things will move smoothly. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Honorable the senior judge, respected sister and brother judges, Sri Pandit S. Chandra, learned President of Avadh Bar Association, Sri S.M. Raikwad ji, Additional Advocate General Uttar Pradesh, Sri Sharat Kumar Srivastava, learned Council Union of India, senior advocates, esteemed members of bar, senior registrar and members of registry, thank you for your kind words of welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today with a deep sense of humility and profound gratitude. It's a rare privilege to be called upon to serve this great institution, and I am truly honored by the trust and confidence that has been placed in me. First and foremost, I offer my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court for considering me fit for this responsibility to impart justice at High Court, Lucknow, covering ancient, reputed region of Awadh. I have been serving this place in different capacity as Assistant Director JTRI, District Lucknow, and it's pleasant to serve this august institution at this juncture. I express my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable the Senior Judge of this High Court, whose leadership and guidance has always been an inspiration to us. Your vision for this institution and your commitment to justice are a beacon for all who serve here. To my respected brother and sister judges, I thank you for your warm welcome extended to us. I look forward to working with you and learning from your vast experience and wisdom. I'm confident that with your support, I'll be able to discharge my duties effectively. My gratitude also extends to my family and loved ones whose unwavering support and encouragement have been a constant source of strength throughout my career. Bar is the mother of judiciary, and its intellectual and scholarly capacity is a testament to the strength of our legal system. I look forward to your continued cooperation and support. I would like to thank the esteemed members of both bar bars for their energetic welcome. I'm delighted that I have been bestowed with the privilege of being a part of this vibrant and dynamic legal fraternity. As I take on this new chapter, I am mindful of the solemn oath I have taken to uphold the Constitution and the laws of this land without fear or favor, affection or ill will. I assure you that I will endeavor to live up to this solemn promise and serve the cause of justice with integrity and impartiality. Thank you all once again for your presence and good wishes.
My dear senior judge, Justice Roy, brothers and sister judges, the President of Bar, Pandit Chandra ji, the Additional Advocate General, Mr. Roykar, Sharat Srivastava, the Council for the Union of India here, and members of the Bar. I thank you for this lovely function being organized. I've never seen such a function happening anywhere, a welcome function. I don't know whether this is a tradition here or it's been organized by my learned friend. But whatever it is, it's truly heart-touching. I never had a chance to appear before this court in this building. Yes, I did appear in the old building. I was told that this building is a phenomenal building. But when I came here 2 weeks back and when I entered, I had a pleasant surprise. What a lovely building. Probably it's one of the best buildings in the world. Orisha. Whatever. But I'm very happy I get a chance to sit and work here. With my experience of working in different high courts, when I sat here 2 weeks back, to the pleasant surprise, I saw the lawyers here, both counsel for the petitioners as well as the government advocates. They are far, far superior than any of the high courts put together. I never seen the government advocates so well prepared. Please keep it up. And I once again thank you. Oh, one thing. What I really miss is the traditions, culture of this place. Lucknow is new to me, and I would love to imbibe all the culture, traditions here. If I am ever, I'm telling all my friends, all the members of the bar, if I ever fail in performing my duty, feel free to come and tell me. This is where you're going wrong. You all are open for any kind of comments. And I once again thank all of you for the nice words and the welcome thing. Thank you very much.
Honorable Justice Sri Rajan Rai, Senior Judge, Lucknow Bench, and other Honorable Brother and Sister Judges, and Honorable Member of the Bar, President, Secretary, and other State Councils. मेरी यात्रा तो 90 से शुरू हुई थी और अब काफ़ी ढलान पे है और इस बीच में काफ़ी जगह काफ़ी ज़िलों में रहने का अवसर भी मुझे मिला। हालांकि वो जिला की अदालतें ज़रूर थीं, लेकिन काफ़ी स्कूलिंग हमारी वहीं से हुई और मैं समझता हूँ कि जो स्कूलिंग मुझे 15-20 ज़िलों से मिली है, उन सब का जो कलेक्शन है वो जो मेरे दिमाग में बसा हुआ है उससे मैं ज़रूर आप लोगों के सामने एक्सप्रेस करूँगा और आप लोगों से भी सीखूँगा। अभी पिछले 2 महीने से स्कूलिंग हो रही थी इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट में और काफ़ी कुछ सीखा है वहाँ से। फिर नया वर्क है, नया काम है, आप लोगों के भरोसे और आप लोगों की उम्मीद पे खरा उतरने की कोशिश करूँगा और आपसे उम्मीद करूँगा कि आप पूरा सहयोग देंगे। बाकी चीज़ें आप लोगों ने जो मेरे बारे में कही हैं, ऑनरेबल सीनियर जज साहब ने जो बताया है वो सब आपके सामने है, उसे मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। बस आप लोगों के भरोसे का और आप लोगों के विश्वास का और आप लोगों की सहयोग का आकांक्षी हूँ। थैंक यू।
Honorable Mr. Justice Rajan Rai, Senior Judge, Pandit S. Chandra, President, Awadh Bar Association, Sri S. M. Rai Kumar, Sharat Kumar Srivastava, Council Union of India, learned senior advocates, state law officers, members of the bar, officers and members of the registry, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I stand before you today with profound humility and deep gratitude. On this memorable occasion, the honor bestowed upon me is one that fills me not with pride, but with a sense of solemn responsibility and devotion to the cause of justice. I thank Honorable Mr. Justice Rajan Roy, the senior judge, and all my brothers and sister judges for their gracious address and warm welcome. My journey through judicial officer has been both challenging and enlightening. Having served at various levels of judiciary, I have had the privilege to witness justice in its most human and practical dimensions. Each stage of that journey has deepened my understanding that the role of judge is not merely to decide a case, but to uphold the spirit of justice tempered with compassion, impartiality, and integrity. At this defining moment of my life, my thoughts turned with emotions to my late father, who practiced as a vakil for a period of 55 years, I think, during the lifespan of 93 years. It was his cherished dream to see me rise to this position. Today he is not with me, but I'm pretty sure that he must be witnessing me from the heaven. His principles of honesty, humility, and perseverance have been the guiding force of my life. Whatever I have achieved today stands as a humble tribute to him. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to my family, my siblings, my wife, my children, because the life of a judge often demands long hours of isolation and restraint. And it is the understanding and patience of one's family that makes such a life possible. I am equally grateful to all my colleagues during the entire journey of my judicial career, to the members of the bar whose cooperation is indispensable in effective administration of justice. I assure my respect and openness. The bench and the bar are two pillars of the same temple of justice, and together we strive to strengthen the people's faith in the system. I assure on this momentous event that I shall dedicate myself wholeheartedly to the noble task of upholding justice, maintaining the dignity and independence of the judiciary. I sum up with thanks to all of you for the warmth of your welcome, for good wishes, and for the faith you have shown in me. I pray for strength and wisdom to live up to that faith and to serve the noble cause of justice with sincerity and humility. Thank you.
Honorable Senior Judge and esteemed Senior Brother and Sister Judges of this Court, Shri Pandit S. Chandra, President of the Allahabad Bar Association, Shri S.M. Singh Rekwar, Learned Additional Advocate General, Uttar Pradesh, Shri Sharat Kumar Srivastava, Learned Counsel Union of India, the learned senior advocates, distinguished members of the bar, learned members of the history, and respected guests, ladies and gentlemen. I wish to express my sincere gratitude for the warm welcome extended to me and for the privilege of addressing such distinguished individuals who have dedicated their lives to the noble pursuit of justice. I express my gratitude to the speakers who have spoken very kind and generous words about me, though I am not certain I deserve such praise. This occasion takes me down to the memory lane. My grandfather, namely late Haidat Rai, was a humble farmer from a small village called Manohar in district Gazipur. My father, late Rajeev Prasad Rai, was only 5 years of age when my grandfather passed away. Yet through hardship and perseverance, he completed his primary, secondary, and higher education, did his MSc from Banaras Hindu University, and joined Geological Survey of India on the post of geophysicist, and retired from there from the post of director. Since the nature of the job of my father at initial period of his services was field work, my mother, Srimati Chand Prabha Rai, took enormous task of raising 3 young sons, and she did so with remarkable strength and grace. I owe everything to her. I had no inclination to pursue a career in law, but it was my father who persuaded me to embark on this path, a decision that changed my life. After completing my LLB course, I got myself registered with the UP Bar Council on 17th of March 1996 and began my legal journey under the guidance of Devi Prasad Singh Advocate, who was an eminent lawyer of this Hon'ble Court at this point of time. Later, he was elevated as judge of this Hon'ble Court. Under his guidance, I grew as a lawyer, inculcating within myself discipline, hard work, and ethical values, which I learned from him. After 2 years of juniorship, I began my independent practice in the year 1998. Facing ups and downs of the legal profession, in 2012, I got the opportunity to work as a state law officer, representing the state of UP as standing counsel. Later in 2017, I was appointed as the district chief standing counsel. The role of state law officer gave me immense exposure, sharpened my skills, and deepened my understanding of law and service. During my tenure as state law officer since May 2012, I worked under different chief standing counsels who reposed faith and confidence in my work and gave me opportunities and exposure to work on different cases, which chiseled me to near perfection. The encouragement which I got from them shaped me and took me to place where I am today. It would be remiss of me to not acknowledge the unwavering support and encouragement that I received from my friends and at the bar, and especially from my family members, whose unwavering encouragement and guidance have shaped me into the person I am today, and for that I am eternally grateful. I was a first-generation lawyer, and it is only with the grace of God and the blessings of my parents and elders in the family I could sail through the initial heat and dust of the profession. There had been times at the initial stage in my career as a lawyer when I, like any other new entrant, felt disappointment and sometimes even gloom. But the support of my family members kept me going, and with their support, I could withstand those stormy days. My father, late Rajendra Prasad Rai, and mother, Srimati Chandrabha Rai, stood a rock in the difficult times for me and for the entire family. My utmost indebtedness is towards my wife, Mrs. Savitri, and two daughters, namely Ms. Kirtika Rai and Ms. Vidisha Rai. They have been a steadfast backbone, a source of constant reassurance, and a motivation to strive for better in life. I am forever grateful to my two brothers, Dr. Anshuman Rai and Mr. Anupam Rai, and their wives, late Sadhana Rai and Srimati Amita Rai, who stood me through my every storm. The encouragement which I got from honorable judges shaped me and took me to the place where I am today, though it was beyond my reach. I am indebted to the judiciary as an institution for inculcating in me the values as envisaged by the framers of our Constitution. It is the judiciary which is the most responsive organ of society when it comes to serving basic human rights and human values. I firmly believe that the independence of the judiciary is the lifeblood of the democracy. There are times in a nation's life, the value system involved by the polity, adopted by its people, may appear to be vanishing, but it is these times when the higher judiciary needs to stand up against all odds to further the cause and fulfill the aspirations of public at large. I am a firm believer in the independence and firmness of the judiciary, and I would like to assure all present here that I shall strive hard to fulfill the expectations to the best of my ability and strength. Justice dispensed in accordance with the law is not just a duty, it is a moral calling. With the cooperation of my esteemed colleagues on the bench and the members of this vibrant bar, I will strive to honor that calling. Conflict has existed since the dawn of society, but so has the pursuit of justice. Whether under monarchy or democracy, the judiciary remains the custodian of fairness, especially for the poor and the marginalized. It will be my earnest endeavor to ensure that justice reaches those who need it most, that no voices go unheard and no grievance is left unanswered. To my friends at the bar, I seek your cooperation and faith. The bench and the bar are two wheels of the same chariot. Neither can move without the other. As the great jurist Pandit Mishra once said, the judicial wheel is rounded with equality, oiled with honor, and functions smoothly with honesty. Principally, it is only when the both members of the bench and the bar shoulder their responsibility seriously. To the young members of the bar, I would like to emphasize that there is no substitute to hard work. The law is often described as a jail's mistress. It demands patience, dedication, and unwavering commitment to truth. There are no shortcuts, but with perseverance, success will come. As I begin this new chapter, I carry with me the lessons of my mentors, blessings of my parents, and the faith of this great institution. I pledge to serve with integrity, humility, and a firm belief in justice for all. With these words, I conclude by once again expressing my heartfelt gratitude to all those present here for their love and affection. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Honorable Justice Rajan Roy, Senior Judge, and all other esteemed brothers and sisters judges of this court. Sri Pandit S. Chandra, President, Awadh Bar Association. Sri SM Singh Roykar, Additional Advocate General, Uttar Pradesh. Sri Sharad Kumar Srivastava, Council, Union of India. The learned senior advocates, esteemed members of the bar, learned members of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I wish to express my sincere gratitude for the warm welcome extended to me and for the privilege of addressing such distinguished individuals who have dedicated their lives to the pursuit of justice. I feel humbled and honored to receive such a heartwarming welcome for which I would be ever indebted. It's indeed a dream come true. I never imagined myself in a role as a judge, and I truly believe that it is the path of rightness, honesty, perseverance, and integrity that I hold towards this esteemed institution paved the way. Indeed, I am deeply honored and grateful to this institution for believing in me and entrusting me with this responsibility. And as I step into this solemn courtrooms of justice, I am deeply mindful of the sacred duty and the responsibility that this new role represents. My utmost indebtedness is to my mother, late Srimati Sudhira Chaudhary, my father, Sri Narayan Chaudhary, my wife, and my son and daughter. I am eternally grateful to my family who have been very steadfast backbone and a source of constant reassurance and motivation to strive for better in life, even during the most turbulent stages of my professional journey. The Awadh Bar Association at Lucknow has long been revered across the country for its decorum and deep commitment to the cause of justice. In fact, this bar has produced many luminaries whose words once filled this very courtrooms and whose judgments continue to guide us till today. May they be the guiding force and light of justice forever. During my Lucknow visit as a lawyer, I had the opportunity to see the photo gallery wall at the library of the bar, which bears the testimony of its credentials and great legal luminaries. I must say that it is purely divine intervention that this gave me an opportunity to serve on the bench in this court, as I see so many common faces at the bar gleaming with smiles. Personally, I found the Awadh bars to be very receptive and cooperative, especially the young members who have exhibited great potentials. I sincerely hope the blessings, cooperations, and reception continues till eternity. To me, the courtroom is akin to a yag-sala, a sacred space where truth is the offering and justice is the flame that must never be allowed to fade. Each argument advanced by learned counsels, each submissions made, and each judgment delivered adds to that eternal fire of rightness. I hope above reflections keeps reminding me that my duty as a judge goes beyond the mere application of law. It's an embodiment of a special duty entrusted to me, for I have been sworn to safeguard the principles of justice, ensuring fairness and upholding the Constitution of India. As I begin this new chapter at Lucknow, I bow to the great tradition of this institution and to the noble fraternity of the bar, whose cooperation and goodwill remain my greatest strength. May we together ensure that every step taken within these courtrooms brings society a little closer to justice, harmony, truth, and one's well-being. I pray to the Almighty that I discharge my duties with unwavering commitments, guided by the principles enshrined in our Constitution and blessed by the divine grace that accompanies the solemn responsibility bestowed upon me. I pray that I will always remain worthy of the trust that has been reposed in me. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Honorable Mr. Justice Rajan Rai, Senior Judge of this court, and Honorable brother and sister judges on the dais, Mr. Pandit S. Chandra, President Awadh Bar Association, Mr. S.M. Singh Roykar, Learned Advocate General, Additional Advocate General, Mr. Sharat Kumar Srivastava, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Union of India, Learned Senior Advocates, Learned State Law Officers, Learned Members of Bar, Officers of the Registry, ladies and gentlemen. I am overwhelmed by the warm welcome accorded to me on my first sitting as a judge of the High Court of Judicature Allahabad, Lucknow bench, after my elevation as a judge of this court, which is one of the oldest and most illustrious institutions of justice in our nation. I express my gratitude to the speakers who have spoken very kind and generous words about me, though I am not confident whether I am worthy of such accolades. To be elevated from the district judiciary to this revered institution, a bastion of justice and constitutional values, is an honor that fills me with both pride and deep sense of responsibility. I express my heartfelt thanks to Honorable the Collegium, Honorable the Chief Justice, and all those who have placed their trust in me to serve this noble office. The High Court is not merely a court, it is a cornerstone of our democracy, a guardian of rights, and a beacon of hope for millions who seek justice. Its legacy, built on the wisdom of eminent jurists and the trust of the people, is a testament to the enduring power of the rule of law. I am acutely aware of the weight of this responsibility and committed to upholding the high tradition of this court. My journey to the moment has been shaped by my years in the district judiciary, where I have had the privilege of serving as a judge at the grassroots of our judicial system. As a district judge, I learned to listen with patience, decide with clarity, and act with empathy. These lessons will guide me as I take on the responsibility of a High Court judge. I also take this opportunity to express my sincere respect and gratitude to my Gurudev, parents and family members, all my seniors, mentors and colleagues, both from the bench and the bar, who have guided and inspired me throughout this journey. The relationship between the bar and the bench is the very backbone of our judicial delivery system. The bar represents the voice of the people. The bench is the conscience of the Constitution. When these two pillars work in harmony, justice not only prevails, it inspires faith. To my esteemed colleagues on the bench, I offer my deepest respect and a commitment to learn from your erudition and experience. Your wisdom will be my guide as I navigate this new role. To the members of the bar, my former allies, in the pursuit of justice, I extend my gratitude for your tireless advocacy, which breathes life into this court. I assure you that my courtroom will be a place of mutual respect, where every argument is heard and every perspective considered. To the officers and the staff of this court, whose dedication ensures its seamless functioning, I offer my appreciation and look forward to your collaborations. With these words, I conclude by once again expressing my heartfelt gratitude to all those present here for their love and affection. Jai Hind.
माननीय वरिष्ठ न्यायमूर्ति जी, माननीय बंधु न्यायमूर्तिगण, श्री पंडित एस चंद्रा, अध्यक्ष अवध बार एसोसिएशन, श्री एस.एम. सिंह रायकंवर, अपर महाधिवक्ता उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार, श्री शरद कुमार श्रीवास्तव, वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता पैनल भारत सरकार, वरिष्ठ अधिवक्तागण, बार के सदस्यगण, रजिस्ट्री के अधिकारीगण, समस्त कर्मचारीगण, देवियों और सज्जनों, सभी को मेरा सादर नमस्कार। आज का दिन मेरे लिए अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण और सौभाग्यशाली है। आज न केवल मैं जीवन के नए सोपान और पड़ाव पर अग्रसारित होने के लिए सज्ज हूँ, बल्कि इस दिव्य और भव्य सभागार के मंच से मुझे सभागार में विराजमान महानुभावों, माननीय उच्च न्यायालय एवं माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय को आभार व कृतज्ञता प्रकट करने का अवसर भी प्राप्त हो रहा है। आज का यह दिवस मेरे लिए केवल स्वागत या अभिनंदन अथवा आभार का दिन नहीं है, बल्कि स्वयं के संघर्षों से प्रेरणा लेकर एक नए पथ पर अग्रसर होने और उस पर गौरवान्वित होने का भी दिन है। वर्ष 1994 में मैंने कुरुक्षेत्र विश्वविद्यालय से विधि की पढ़ाई आरंभ की थी और निरंतर 3 वर्षों तक प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त कर गोल्ड मेडल के साथ विधि की उपाधि प्राप्त करी। मैं अपने परिवार की पहली पीढ़ी की अधिवक्ता थी, इसलिए शुरुआती दिन सहज नहीं थे। एक कुशल अधिवक्ता बनने की भावना से प्रेरित होकर अपने पति के साथ मिलकर मैंने प्रैक्टिस आरंभ करी। एक दिन एक वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता की कही एक पंक्ति ने मेरे मन मस्तिष्क पर गहरी छाप छोड़ी और वह पंक्ति थी, एन एडवोकेट मस्ट नो समथिंग अबाउट एवरीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट समथिंग। इस एक पंक्ति से मुझे समझ आ चुका था कि जब विधि व्यवसाय करने वाले की परिभाषा इतनी गहन है, तो ऐसे व्यवसाय को आत्मसात और अंगीकृत करने के लिए निश्चय ही संघर्ष, मेहनत और परीक्षा भी बड़ी ही होगी। समय के प्रवाह के साथ जीवन गतिमान रहा और अनेकों पड़ाव पार किए। समय के साथ मैंने न केवल एक कुशल अधिवक्ता बनने की ओर कदम बढ़ाए, बल्कि पति की प्रेरणा से स्वयं को एचजीएस के लिए तैयार किया और फिर कभी पीछे मुड़कर नहीं देखा। चूँकि जीवन पथ में खुद से खुद का संघर्ष और कसौटी पर खरे उतरने का संकल्प था, ऐसे में वर्ष 2009 में एचजीएस के प्रथम प्रयास में ही बैच में दूसरा स्थान पाकर परीक्षा पास की और फिर निडरता, निष्पक्षता, निष्ठा के साथ वादकारियों के हितों के लिए कार्य करते हुए नैतिक दायित्वों के निर्वहन में स्वयं का 100% योगदान देने का प्रयास किया। एक न्यायाधीश का कार्य न केवल सत्यनिष्ठा, मेहनत और कर्मठता से, मुकदमों के त्वरित निस्तारण से पीड़ितों को न्याय दिलवाकर समाज में सुशासन स्थापित करने का है, बल्कि उसका प्रशासनिक दृष्टिकोण, समाज के प्रति उत्तरदायित्व, संवेदनशील दृष्टि भी उतनी ही आवश्यक है। इसी विचार, स्वप्रेरणा और स्वांतः सुखाय के भाव से मैंने न्यायिक निर्णयों के साथ साथ वादकारियों के हितों के लिए, उनके बैठने के लिए शेड, बेंच, न्यायालय और अधिवक्ताओं के चैम्बरों के सामने सड़कों का रेनोवेशन, फीमेल जुडिशियल ऑफिसर्स के लिए पृथक टॉयलेट्स, एंटी कैंसर डोज, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग प्रोविजंस, कर्मचारियों के स्वास्थ्य के परीक्षण हेतु स्थायी ATM, हेल्थ ATM आदि अनेक सुविधावर्धक और जन कल्याण कार्य से अपने कार्यों में भी सक्रिय सहयोग दिया। एक दिन जब मेरे न्यायालय के दरवाजे पर हार्ट अटैक से एक अधिवक्ता की मृत्यु हुई तो मैं बहुत आहत हुई। सोचा कि यदि न्यायालय परिसर में ऑक्सीजन और अन्य मेडिकल मूलभूत सुविधाएं होती तो ऐसी परिस्थितियों से बचा जा सकता था। मेरा मानना था कि जहां चाह होती है वहां राह बन जाती है, और इसी प्रयास के तहत मैंने अपनी बुनियादी सुविधाओं के लिए अपना प्रयास आरंभ कर दिया और पावर ग्रिड ऑफ इंडिया से CSR फंड से 5 करोड़ का बजट माननीय उच्च न्यायालय की अनुमति सहित परिसर में 4 मंजिला इमारत बनाने हेतु प्रशासन को दिया। इसी प्रकार लखनऊ जनपद में भी CSR फंड से ही ट्यूबवेल लगवाकर वर्षों से चली आ रही उत्तरी, दक्षिणी और बहुखंडी इमारत में जलापूर्ति की समस्या का निदान किया, और साथ ही अधिवक्ता बंधुगण के CSC बिल्डिंग में न केवल निर्बाध जलापूर्ति कराई वरन बिल्डिंग के समस्त शौचालयों का भी निर्माण कराया, वाटर कूलर लगाए। इसके साथ कर्मचारी गण का बहुतायत मात्रा में लंबित मेडिकल रिम्बर्समेंट, ACP और प्रमोशन आदि प्रकरणों का निस्तारण किया। ऐसे अनेक कार्यों से मैंने अपने वर्तमान को सुव्यवस्थित किया और नियति ने भी बिना अनुमान और आभास कराए मेरे भविष्य को सुनियोजित किया। मैंने सदैव प्रयास किया कि मैं अपने समक्ष आए समस्त कार्य को पूर्ण श्रद्धा, निष्ठा और अथक प्रयास से पूर्ण करूं, और ऐसा करके कार्य पूर्णता का संतोष भी अनुभव किया। जीवन की सतत तपस्या की अवधि में अनायास ही अनेक महानुभावों से मिलने का अवसर भी मिला और उनका आशीर्वाद मिला, जिनका मैं इस मंच से आज धन्यवाद करती हूँ। परंतु इस यात्रा में मेरे परिवार का स्थान सर्वोपरि है। मेरे माता पिता, पति, पुत्रियाँ और मित्रगण का निरंतर मार्गदर्शन, सहयोग और हौसला मेरे लिए ऊर्जा का स्रोत रहा, जिनका आभार व्यक्त किए बिना मैं अपना आभार वक्तव्य समाप्त नहीं कर पाऊँगी। मैं यह भली भांति समझती हूँ कि न्यायपालिका कार्य केवल विवादों का निपटारा करना नहीं है, वरन लोकतंत्र की आत्मा का रक्षा करना भी है। इस विश्वास और आस्था को बनाए रखना ही हमारी सबसे बड़ी जिम्मेदारी भी है। मैं न केवल आपको विश्वास दिलाती हूँ, बल्कि स्वयं पर अड़िग विश्वास भी रखती हूँ कि जो भी कार्य मुझे सौंपा जाएगा, चाहे वो न्यायिक हो या प्रशासनिक हो, मैं उसे पूर्ण निष्ठा, पारदर्शिता और प्रतिबद्धता से पूर्ण करूँगी। मैं अपने वक्तव्य का समापन श्री संदीप द्विवेदी जी की प्रेरणादायक पंक्तियों के साथ करना चाहूँगी। मिला नहीं कुछ पल भर में, एक दौर इसी में बीता है, बादल बहुत समेटे हैं, तब दरिया बनना सीखा है। अंत में मैं आप सभी से आशीर्वाद, सहयोग, मार्गदर्शन की अपेक्षा करती हूँ, ताकि मैं न्याय की इस महान यात्रा में सदैव निर्भीक, निष्पक्ष और संवेदनशील बनी रहूँ। इस भव्य स्वागत के लिए आप सभी का हृदय से आभार। जय हिंद।